are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is said as senator. Senator, you do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as senator. Senator in American English versus senator in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.